EagleEye Deluxe UVA and white light LED hands-free inspection kit. Ideal for magnetic particle inspection and a variety of other hands-free fluorescent applications. Inspection made easy with hands-free illumination. Locates fluorescent indications quickly and accurately. The EagleEye Deluxe series makes magnetic particle inspection a one-person job while out in the field. Spray and inspect in one step. Inspectors can free their hands to hold yoke or a spray can. The EagleEye Deluxe is ASTM E3022 compliant and meets ISO EN 3059 specifications. Two UVA LEDs with integral backlight filter provide a uniform 5-inch beam for broad area of coverage with white light for illumination of dark areas. Kit includes everything you need: